Last year, we got the crazy idea to take an old pontoon boat, tear it down to the bare metal, and rebuild it into a tiny home on the water. We documented our steps along the way, and we want to share them with you to show you what's possible with a little bit of blood, sweat, and tears. This is our Pontoon Houseboat project. By this point in the project, we had already moved out of our apartment, stayed a week at a friend's cottage, and then ended up staying several more weeks in a friend's fifth wheel. With more help from friends and family, we got the roof on, a whole 12 feet high on the trailer. Keep in mind, we're already in the middle of the summer at this point, so it's hot days. Cori had been roofing full time at this point, so we were just doing everything we could to get it finished. Our flooring was in, electrical was run, up next was spray foam. We learned that spray foam requires 1.5 inches thickness, which meant that our 2x2 walls had to be filled completely and then scraped so they'd be flush. We needed insulation because we are installing an AC unit, an RV unit, which also has a heat pump. So we want to keep the cold air in on warm days and the hot air in when it cools off in the fall. We got our nice laminate floor installed and began to work on the walls and ceiling. This episode is a little shorter because we're doing a little less video, more just keeping up to date with photos. Progress did keep moving along with the ceiling boards in, walls up, and lights even working. Started the accent wall too. If you like these videos, please comment below and subscribe.